We have a birthday party coming up, so I ordered the Galaxy Slime Kit 40-pack of these Galaxy Slime party favors for kids. But let's see how fun they are for me. So each of them comes wrapped individually. It does look like really fun colors in there, so I'm kind of excited to open it up and play around with it. It's got a nice box too. So kids would be excited to just see these piled up together, ready to be grabbed. Let's open one up. They're not too terrible to open. They are nice and full. Oh, that's fun. It came right out. It's not overly liquidy, which is important in a slime. This Galaxy slime, wow, it's like really iridescent. Look at that. It actually smells nice too. Not in an overly perfumey sort of way, but it doesn't have an unpleasant smell. Ooh, this is nice slime. I'm actually really surprised. Wow. Look at the color. Kids and adults alike will definitely have fun mixing in those silver stars. That little confetti. Thumbs up from me. My son is gonna love this at his party. His friends will too. This is great. Maybe I'll keep it for myself. Galaxy Slime Kit 40-pack party favors for kids. Or if you're like me, for grown-ups who like to play like kids. Hope this was helpful.